This tutorial, we're going to show you on how to buy crypto on the Coinbase website.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more.
Go to Coinbase or search it on your search engine or browser device. It should be right here, coinbase.com. You may need to sign in or create an account, and then go to the top left hand screen and make sure you're on home. You can go here on the top right hand screen and click search and type in the cryptocurrency that you would like to purchase. In this case, you can even view the historical chart, and you can even get this on the Coinbase wallet. If a crypto is not currently available, you can search for another top asset cryptocurrency. Let's say you want to buy this popular cryptocurrency named Ethereum. Go to the top right hand screen. You can click buy. Click the drop down arrow. As you can see, you can buy this as a one-time order, a limit order, or a recurring buy. And then as you can see, you can pay, type in the amount you would like to purchase, and then underneath pay with, you can pay with cash. You can even scroll down and pay with the cryptocurrency of your choice, or you can even add a payment method completely for free, a bank account, debit card, or even PayPal.